Hey friends, if you wish to create a Bluetooth shortcut on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now see, the problem with this is that people know that they can connect to Bluetooth and all using the system tray or settings, but they don't find a Bluetooth icon. They don't find a program associated with Bluetooth or a connectivity icon that they can use on their desktop screen. So they have nothing here. Now if you want it, then here's the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Navigate to the System32 folder, which is C colon for backslash Windows backslash System32, or let's forget this. Go to the File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows, and then scroll down and then select System32. Okay. Now in the System32 folder, there's something called as fsquart, and you will search for it. fsquart, right? Simply click on this file once, copy it and paste it on the desktop itself. Now double click on it and this will open Bluetooth file transfer service. So this is the file associated with the program for Bluetooth. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.